Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of commercial vehicles with a focus on the 2025 Suzuki Hiace Carry Minivan. This iconic minivan has been a staple in many parts of the world for decades, and the 2025 model brings a fresh perspective to this legendary workhorse. Let's explore what makes the Suzuki Carry Minivan a top choice for businesses and individuals alike. The 2025 Suzuki Carry is more than just a vehicle, it's a versatile partner for your daily grind. Its compact and agile design makes it perfect for navigating crowded city streets and maneuvering in tight spaces. Whether you're making deliveries, transporting goods, or simply running errands, the Carry offers exceptional maneuverability and ease of use. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and well-organized interior. The cabin is designed with practicality in mind, featuring comfortable seating, ample storage space, and a user-friendly dashboard. The cargo area is generously sized and easily accessible, making loading and unloading a breeze. Built with durability and reliability in mind, the 2025 Carry boasts a robust frame and a rugged exterior. Modern touches like sleek headlights, a redesigned grille, and aerodynamic lines give it a contemporary look while maintaining its iconic character. Powering the 2025 Carry is a fuel-efficient and reliable engine, delivering a perfect balance of power and economy. This engine is designed to handle the demands of daily work while minimizing fuel consumption. The 2025 Suzuki Carry is more than just a vehicle, it's a reliable partner for your business or personal endeavors. Its combination of durability, efficiency, and versatility makes it an ideal choice for those who demand a hardworking and dependable companion. What do you think of the new Suzuki Carry Minivan? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe Urban Rides Hub, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews.